Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rebecca. In this video I'm going to show you how to solve Cambridge IGCSE ICT exam paper 2, and we're going to focus on presentation. This is February March 2024 exam paper. So for this paper I have solved the document production and database task. You can just go through the playlists on my channel to find the videos. So let's go to the presentation task. Okay, you're going to create a short presentation about online gaming safety. All slides must have a consistent layout and formatting. Create a presentation of 8 slides using the file CO2 safety. Okay, so let's open our presentation slides. Okay, so you can either choose from a file. Okay, you go to your folder and you look for the file. Okay, so if you cannot find the files, then you need to come here to choose all files. Okay, but because you're trying to open a file that is not a PowerPoint file format, so you need to look for the file CO2 games. Is it? Let me double confirm. CO2 safety. CO2 safety. Okay. Okay, sometimes when you try this format of opening the files, there are sometimes that you might not be able to open the file. So what you can just do is you go to new slides, you open a new presentation, click on the drop down of new slides, then click on slides from outline, and then it will take you to the folder to choose the file. Okay, so we have slide presentation of 8 slides. Unless otherwise instructed, the slides must display a title and a bulleted list. Okay, the first slide. Okay, we have title and bulleted list. Okay, use a master slide to display only the following features. So we need to have automatic slide numbers on the top left. Okay, so when we want to insert anything that will appear on every page of the slides, we need to use the slide master. Okay, so click on view and then slide master, and you want to make sure that you've selected the first slide so that whatever editing or formatting you do on the first slide will appear on all the slides. Okay, so we want to have automatic slide numbers on the top left. Okay, so we already have a slide number here, so what we can do is to move it to the top left. Okay, so we'll just move it to the top left, and then the next one, the company logo, CO2 logo, position on the top right, the company logo. So we need to insert picture. Okay, company logo. Okay, so we need to put that at the top right, if I'm not mistaken, the top right. Okay, so we don't want this to overlap anything on the presentation slide. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to adjust this part. Okay, and then bring the logo down a bit. Okay, and then your name, center number, and candidate number. Okay, so we need to have our name, center number, and candidate number. So we can always put that here, our name, center number, and candidate number. Make sure that master slide items appear on the same position on every page. No items overlap on any slide. Okay, so let's go back to the normal view. Close master slide. Okay, we have the logo, but we cannot see the page number and the candidate details. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to go back to the slide master. Okay, click on the first slide, and then we are going to click on insert, header and footer, and then we are going to tick the slide number and the footer. Okay, then apply to all. Okay, now we are going to go back to the normal view. Okay, so now we have the page number, we have the candidate details. Okay, format slide 1 so that a title slide layout is applied with no bullets. The title and the subtitle text are centered, aligned, and in the middle of the slide. Okay, so we need to format this first slide to be a title slide. So what we are going to do is click on layout and then title slide. Okay, so this is what it should look like. Okay, delete the slides with the title Gaming Benefits and Negative Effects of Gaming. Okay, gaming benefits. Okay, this one, and then negative effects of gaming. Okay, so we are left with just 6 slides. Use the data in the file CO2 ratings to create a vertical bar chart. Okay, so let's open the file CO2 ratings. Okay, so you may want to expand this. Okay, so to create the vertical bar chart to show the number of ratings given to each category in 2023 only. 2023 only. So we need to create a vertical bar chart showing the rating category for 2023 only. Okay, so what we are going to do is we're going to select the rating category, and then you release your hand from the mouse, then you press the control and then click on this also. Select 2023. So go to insert and then insert the bar chart. Okay, display with labels the age categories on the category axis and the number of games on the value axis. Do not display a legend. Okay, so let's follow the instruction from here. Label the charts as following. Okay, ratings of games in 2023. Okay, so we don't have a legend, so this is the title here. Paste the title, then category axis, title, age, category. So click on plus here and then access title, then you have the age category here. Okay, then display only the data values along the top of each bar. The data value along the top of each bar. Okay, so click on this and then data labels. Okay, I think that's there already. Format the value axis scale to display a minimum value of 0, a maximum value of 560, and increment of 70. Okay, since we don't need this axis, we are going to delete this. Okay, so we need minimum 0, maximum 560, and then increment 70. So increment is 70, and then maximum is 560. Okay, this is done. So we have minimum 0, maximum 560, and increment of 70. Place the chart to the left of the bullet on the slide with the title Game Ratings. Make sure that no words in the chart are split. All data and labels are fully visible. The chart and its content do not overlap any slide items. So we need to just copy the chart, then go to our presentation slides, and then look for the slide with the title Game Ratings. Okay, so we are going to move this to the right. Okay, the chart needs to be on the left. Okay, it needs to be to the left, so you can paste the chart, and then you can adjust the chart a bit to make it clear. Okay, on the slide with the title Game Ratings, format the text age classifications so that when clicked, it opens the document with the file name CO2 categories, and take a screenshot to show that the text links to the correct file. Place this in your evidence document. Okay, so the text age classification in the title slide title Game Rating. Okay, age classification. Okay, age classifications. So right click on it, and then you should look for hyperlink. Click on folder, desktop. Okay, CO2 categories. Okay, just choose all files. CO2 categories, and then okay. Okay, so I'm going to take a screenshot of this. And then click OK. And I will place this in my evidence document as evidence steps 27. Okay, this is done. Add the following text as presenter notes to the slide with the title Game Ratings. Okay, so we need to add a presenter note to the slides with the title Game Ratings. Presenter note. So you can just click on this and then you add the note. Print only this slide as presenter or speaker note. Okay, to print only the slides, go to File, Print. Okay, so we're not printing all slides. Note page. So this is the slides with the note page. Print current slides. Okay, so this is the slide with the notes page, and your notes should be visible. That's why you need to choose note pages. Okay, the next step, save the presentation. Print slide 1, 2, 3, and 4 only as handouts in portrait orientation, with 2 slides on each page, and with each slide filling half the page. Okay, so we need to print slide 1 to 4 only. So we need to save first. So if you want to save, you can either click on save or save as if you want to save with another name. Okay, so to print we need to change it to 2 slides. Okay, so we have 2 slides on each page now, but of course we want to print only slide 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that means we should have just 2 printout. So I'm just going to put here 1 to 4. Okay, so when I say 1 to 4, then of course I should have 2 printouts. I have slide 1, 2, and then slide 3, 4. So slide 5 and 6 are not displayed here. Okay, and then you can just click on print. Okay, so that's all for this presentation task. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.